your head from the glowing screen. There's a whole wide world you've never seen. Sun on your face, wind in your hair. Moments pass by but you're not there. Scrolling dreams that don't come true, while real life's calling right next to you. Your heart is beating, can't you feel the sound? Life is moving on, not lost, not bound. Lift your head, put the reggae on. Feel the rhythm till the worry's gone. Life is more than a shining phone. There's love and truth in flesh and bone. Lift your head, hear the people laugh. Feel the time, don't let it pass. This is life, it's happening now. Lift your head. Remember how you miss the smile of the one who cares, the silent beauty floating in the air. Kids still playing in the street below, stories written where the real lights glow. You trade your soul for 1,000 likes, but peace don't live in digital nights. Every second is a gift unseen. Don't let it fade in a scrolling dream. Lift your head, put the reggae on. Let the bass remind you where you're from. Life is touch, it's breath, it's sound. Not a cage that fits in your hand. Lift your head, feel the sun arise. Truth don't live behind closed eyes. This is life, it's happening now. Lift your head. Remember how. Oh, turn off the noise, turn up your soul. Reggae vibrations make you whole. Dance with a moment, slow it down. Barefoot truth on sacred ground. Lift your head, put the reggae on. Let it guide you till the fear is gone. Life is here, it's warm, it's real. More than anything you scroll or feel.